Mail time! Yes! Relatively quiet day today, but I've got a new toy, which is always helpful. Right, so here we go. This is the Zhiyun-tech Transmount. Can you see that? Transmount dual grip. Basically a mini second hand for well, this actually. That's a Zhiyun-tech gimbal. The Crane2, the latest one, that I use that very camera on. Now normally on jobs we use something like this, which is a handlebar mount. This one's by Shoot, but whatever. The Zhiyun version of this is like 90 quid, and it's the exact same as this one, which was about 30, I think. And this one's even better because it's got lots of mounting points all around it. There's a screw thread right there that I put on it. So there's mounting points there. So when we're on a job, we'd have it actually that way with a gimbal here, monitor here, you know, mic or a light here, and then maybe something along, you know, whatever, a recording device here, whatever, and we'll use that, and it's, you know, nice and wide. But when I'm out vlogging, just hang that back up. When I'm out vlogging, that thing's a pain in the arse. It doesn't fit any backpacks or anything. So I was thinking something like this might be just, you know, small enough to lob in my little man bag, a little Spectrum bag or something, with my camera, get it out, and. But yeah, we'll see how it is. Ooh. Yay, look, they put a lens wipe thing. Yeah, always handy. And I got this one actually not from Zhiyun, it's from these guys, Pergear. Don't know if you can see that, but feel free to scan that if you want. Not sponsored by them at all, they're just they had the best price for the thing. But Pergear, if you're watching, call me. Right, let's get this out. Ooh, it's sealed. It's not sealed. It looks like it's been opened. Dun dun dun! By the way, I like the new set and everything. We've got, you can't quite see on that screen if I move the iPad. We've got Megatron owning Optimus Prime back there. Because reasons. So, okay, it looks like we get a, oh god. Oof. Is that it? Yeah. Just in a little plastic prison. And this is it. So this is the handle itself, and the idea is obviously you've got to adjust that, but you put your hand in there and your gimbal goes on there, and obviously you hold the gimbal and use the joystick as normal, and then, you know, it's a bit more tight. It's probably not going to be quite as stable as using a big wide handlebar mount like this one, but you know, when I'm vlogging, you know, I'm not having to carry a massive thing around. And then you've got a screw thread on the top there. So I'm looking at the screen over there. I've got a monitor back here. You got a screw thread there to put on like a monitor or a mic or something like that. When I'm vlogging, I'll probably put my mic on there. Or if you're indoors, a light, something like that. And you could even, like I've got a triple hot shoe mount, so you can put the triple hot shoe mount there, and you put a light, a monitor, and a mic, and do the whole setup in one small package. So if you're in a tight space that doesn't really afford you walking through with the handlebars. Seems alright. It's some kind of metal composite, I think. It's definitely not plastic, it's cold to the touch. Nice rubberized bottom on there to stop the camera spinning round. Oh, and you've got a mount point on the bottom as well, so you can put your tripod fast mount on there and just click it into a tripod, and jobs are good. Yeah, not bad, seems alright. Ah, there's another screw thread there, so it's actually covered in screw threads. There's a thing there, so you could even put your shotgun mic upside down there. And so you've got a mounting point there, you've got a mounting point there, you've got, oh, there's a mounting point, the actual screw thread, can you see that? It's got a mounting point inside there, so you could put something there, something there, something there, your tripod there, or triple hot shoe mount thing up here. There's actually It's actually better than I thought, to be honest. Yeah, nice. Well, it's a nice day outside, so response to all our clients' emails today, everything's all good. So yeah, I think we'll nip outside and we'll give this thing a whirl. Care to join me? And no sooner have I got in the car, it starts kerfuffling it down. So, IKEA it is then.
I like to move it,